Friends, today we continue our journey with verse 8 of the Bhagavad Gita. In the previous verse, Duryodhana told Drona that he would now describe the leaders of his own army, and here he begins naming them. He starts with Drona himself. This is clever by placing his teacher's name first. Duryodhana is showing respect, trying to flatter him and reminding him of his duty to fight for the Kauravas. Then he names Bhishma, the grandsire of the Kauravas, the commander of the Kaurava army, blessed with the boon of choosing the time of his own death. Bhishma presence was Duryodhana's greatest source of confidence, but deep down Duryodhana also knew that Bhishma's heart leaned towards the Pandavas. This hidden conflict was something that haunted him. Next, he mentions Karna. Karna, the friends he trusted most, a warrior of unmatched skills, perhaps even greater than Arjuna. But Karna's track day was that he but stood on the wrong side, not out of conviction but out of loyalty to his friend. Then comes Kripacharya, the one who was known to be ever victorious in battle, wise experience and calm but bound by family ties to stand with the Kauravas. After Kripa, Duryodhana names Ashwathama, the son of Drona, powerful, fearless, but blinded by anger and arrogance. His strength was immense, but his lack of control over his emotions would eventually lead him down a dark path. He then speaks of Vikram. This is interesting. Vikarna, Duryodhana's own brothers, was the only one who dared to oppose the injustice done to Draupadi during her humiliation in the assembly. He had the courage to say, "This is wrong," and yet here he was standing in the army of Adharma, led by blood and loyalty. His story shows us that painful reality of how people sometimes go against their conscience because of pressure and circumstances. Finally, Duryodhana naming all these people because he is trying to convince his teacher, his army, and perhaps himself that they too have mixed heroes. Not less than the Pandavas, he is hiding his fear behind this long list of warriors. But the deeper truth is this: no matter how great the warriors, no matter how vast the army is, they are standing on the side of righteousness, their power will not last. Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and were extraordinary, yet their power could not save the Kauravas because the foundation was wrong. This verse gives us deep lesson for our lives. Sometimes we may have powerful friends, big positions, or strong resources, but if we use them for the wrong purpose, they cannot not protect us for long. On the other hand, even with limited strength, if we stand for truth, victory will eventually be ours. In verse 8, we see Duryodhana's pride, his fear, and his politics all mixed together. He names his heroes, but inside he knows that righteousness is not on his side. So let us remember this: do not stand with fleshhood just because of loyalty, friendship, or pressure. Stand with truth, even if it is difficult, because in the end only truth wins. In is the timeless wisdom of the Gita. Jai Shri Krishna.